Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and install your Mint Mobile SIM card. Now, if you got a new SIM card from Mint Mobile, whether it's an eSIM or a physical SIM card, I'll walk you through the entire process of installing it and getting it up and running. But first, my partner Mint Mobile gave me the link down below. It gets you the first 3 months of Mint Mobile at $15 per month for the unlimited plan. So if you're new to signing up, just tap on that link down below and you'll get a great discount off of their prices. Now, the first thing we're going to do is, of course, if you go into a web browser, say you go into a web browser and you go to mintmobile.com, and let's say I already have this in my cart, you go through the process of buying either an eSIM or a physical SIM card. If it's a physical SIM card, they will mail you that SIM card. Or if it's an eSIM, then you email it to you directly. Now, let's say you have a physical SIM card. I can go over and, for instance, on the iPhone, all you have to do is get a little paper clip like this. Look on the side of your phone. You can see it is on the left side of your phone. There will be a little hole. Basically, just push a paper clip into that hole and it will eject out the little SIM card slot. Then all you have to do is physically put that little SIM card into the slot and push it back in. Now, if you got an eSIM or an electronic SIM card, all you have to do is open up the email that was sent to you. For instance, this one says your order is confirmed, and I can scroll down. And now all I have to do is hit activate eSIM. And as long as you have the Mint Mobile app, if not, it will ask you to download and install the Mint Mobile app on your iPhone or Android. But then it will go through the process of basically setting up and activating that eSIM. It'll walk you through all of the steps. If you wanted to bring over or port in a number, you can always do that. A number that you previously had, you can always bring that into Mint Mobile. Or you can just give them your zip code and they will randomly just assign you a phone number associated with that specific zip code. So you can see at the very top there, they just assign me a random number. I don't have a new number. Now, if you wanted to check and make sure that SIM card is inserted or it is working, we're going to head into our settings and we're going to tap on cellular. Now, for my instance, I have an eSIM because I have one of the newer iPhones. You can see I can tap on the business line here and network selection is Mint Mobile, shows my number, and it shows everything is working with my eSIM. I can send and receive text messages, phone calls, all that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.